Well, hey there, friends. It's good to see you again. Today we found ourselves beside a quiet lake, tucked far away from the noise of the town, where the trees lean in close like old friends. Let's take a moment together as we open this pack. Let whatever's been waiting on you just drift across the water. Oh. Oh, there's a familiar face. A little awkward, a little loud, but somehow right at home here. And as the ripples fade and the cards are tucked away, I hope a little bit of today stays with you. Stay joyful, stay curious, and may your packs be full of wonder.